Dear Mrs. Perriman, I thank you very much for your very kind letter. I do indeed miss my son Charlie. Still, I am glad he did his duty. I had a very nice letter from the chaplain of the King's Own Regiment telling me it was at my son's funeral in the British cemetery. It was a great comfort to know that someone was there to see him laid to rest. Thank you again, your obedient servant, Peggy Coulter. This letter is from a mother whose son died in the First World War. It is addressed to a member of the Royal British Legion. The Royal British Legion is an organization that was established after the First and Second World War. Its main objective was to fundraise money as well as to give the veterans of the war a proper job. They do this through the Poppy Appeal, which is their main fundraising event that takes place around Remembrance Day, which is Friday the 11th, and that's tomorrow. The idea is that by making these poppies, the people who wouldn't be able to find a job get a proper job. And by the sale of these poppies, they fundraise money for the families of those who are not here anymore. You might be wondering why poppies. Well, poppies were the first plants to grow on the fields in Flanders, in Belgium. Immediately they were seen as the blood that was flowing over the battlefield, as the dead bodies were still there when the first plants were growing. So nowadays, each poppy is a symbol of life. The life of one soldier that fought for freedom. I found this infographic last week, and I thought it's quite good to share. The idea is that the stem of the poppy is showing the duration, the time scale of the war. The size of the flower of the poppy is then showing the number of deaths by war. As you see, the First World War and the Second World War have the biggest flowers. Also, the color of each poppy is showing places where the war took place. In 2014, there was a very nice experiment, a project done in the Tower of London. It was almost 900,000 ceramic poppies installed around the castle, each poppy symbolizing one life of a British soldier. However, some people saw it as a very negative thing, and it was seen as immoral because they thought it looks like the blood is flowing out the windows of the castle, and it reminded them of the grim times of the British kings. And also, those of you who watch football, tomorrow, on Friday, the 11th, there's going to be a match between Scotland and England. Both of these teams have asked if they can wear an armband with the poppy symbol on it. FIFA refused, and the reasoning is that FIFA thinks that it's a political symbol, and political beliefs are not allowed to be worn during FIFA matches. So this is an ongoing debate in Britain. The fact that I think is quite important to mention is that some of the UK soldiers fought for the UK somewhere abroad, and that's where they died, and their graves are not in their homeland. As well as many foreign soldiers fought for the UK, and that's where they basically ended their life, and their graves again are not in their homeland. Also, Remembrance Day nowadays is not only about the First and Second World War, and not only about Britain. It's also about all the wars that are taking place nowadays, in the past few years, in all over the world. So I've got two messages for you today. Tomorrow during Tudor time, there will be people coming around with the catwalks and the poppies, and you will have the opportunity to buy and support the charity and give these people their proper life. Also, tomorrow at 11 o'clock, there's going to be a 2-minute silence. If you're asking why at 11, that's when the armistice during the First World War was signed. Thank you.